I got cramps.
No. Give me a minute now. Telling me to come to get my groceries. Let me get the crunchy parts out of my butthole first.
He's Patrick running, that fucking bitch.
Patrick! You a bitch on God! How did he hear that?
Patrick, you a bitch! He heard that.
Fuck you stupid Nick. Gennaro said the N-word in French yesterday.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he said the N-word with some little accent. He's like, Nia. Uh-oh. Fine shit coming through.
What is he looking at?
What are you
she
looking
had like
at?
5 chins.
Go take your kid to soccer, you coot. This is gonna hit someone for sure.
Because you're cracking me right now.
No, not that one. He's gonna come and beat the fuck out of me.
You just tell by no, he's an old man, bro. He's an old man, look like he's 70.
Kobe. Fuck.
Ooh.
Special item of the day.
Okay.
Okay.
That's right him. You guys steal that or?
No, we bought it today.
You nodding because you stole it or?
No, I bought it. Wow. Wow. Okay. Do you want me to give you some?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Do you feel that shit?
Ah.
Excuse me.
Wow.
My mouth is dry as fuck. Wash it down with some snow.
Wow.
I hope Kyle gets no bitches when he's older.
Yep. I hope Kyle gets AIDS when he's older, so he can't have sex anymore.
No one. Ah!
Oh, wow. Wow. Hey.